Hi. Love these guys. Love these. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Like how TikTok can play music for you. Just let music. YouTube fit do the same thing. When you turn on live, you can select a tune and go on and go and relax. Don't guys. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my life. Should I have some background music I play while I walk? It's a beautiful day. I didn't need this jacket. But in anyways, my avatar already, so we just a glow with the flow. Welcome in. Happy birthday, Shireen. Where's Shireen? Send her in here. Send her in here. Happy birthday, Latoya Mullings Music. Happy birthday, Jacqueline. What's your name? Ellis? Happy birthday, Jacqueline Fitzgerald. I think she had birthday yesterday. Yeah, all the May people come out, come out to me. May banners. That's a pretty, pretty beautiful tree. Look at this beautiful tree. May banners come out. Come out, guys. Send up some happy birthday for your classmates. Sunbath going on here. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. So beautiful. Oh my God. It is so, so, so beautiful. So, so beautiful and peaceful. No, it's not windy. It's just beautiful. The kids are having fun. Beautiful. Beautiful day. Oh, this one beautiful plant around here. So could I come? I'm gonna show another beautiful plant here, guys. I'm gonna see the river all the time. Let's go a different direction today. So shade right here, so Jesus. Me I run from sun and come a shade now. The way the place. Nice. Beautiful day. I think it's behind the. Look at that beautiful tree. Oh, they're studying up there. Can't even show this. So. Look at the trees, guys. Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. Like up the live. Like, share, and subscribe. Look at the beautiful, 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 beautiful tree. So beautiful. Beautiful plants. So beautiful. Yeah, around here so it's cooler than out the front. Welcome in, guys. Like up the live. So many persons on them not done likes. My turn. And you know, hi. Just one likes. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The river is in its elements. So nice and warm and cozy out there. So nice and warm and cozy. Bird. Ooh, the bird I picture. How can a bird that I picture on the bird and I pick out the bird? Look there, guys. Look up there. You see it? Wanna see it? The bird I pitch for the next bird and I pick out him back, you know? What a thing. Never know something can go so. I didn't know that something could have gone like that. Outside is nice. No whole heap of excitement. Everybody's studying. Everybody's studying for their exams. End of semester exams. End of semester exams time. Ooh.
Regardless if I'm close with him or not. But right, you have to think of it like that.
Okay.
Because I know she's
River.
Because yeah. Well, I definitely am. But it's just not.
The river.
I don't want to cut her short. Is what I'm saying.
The river. Can't bother go down there right now, you know. It's gonna take too much energy to go down those hills. I mean, it's not excitement on the river, really. I can actually take off my jacket. It's that warm. But we used to have one jacket in a heat. Summer good. And nobody not see Shireen yet to send her come. Send over Shireen. Make we sing happy birthday for her. Send over Shireen. Guys, like up the live. Please, please and thanks. Please, please, pretty please. Just click off back the X and go out back and give us thumbs up. Or click on the three dots. Come and realize YouTube still at the old page mixed with the new page. Click on the three dots, go out, you see the thumbs up, press it and come back in. Seems like a peer newcomer may have on the live today. Welcome in, and please remember to give me a like and subscribe before you leave. All my newcomers who are not speaking to me today, all my newcomers who are not speaking to me today. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. And thank you for subscribing. Whew, let me take a rest. Another shade here. Whew. No, I'm not crossing. That's okay. Thank you. Whew. Thank you so much, guys, for coming in. Thank you. XPO Logistics. Can show you my walk, guys. No joke, my walk. I am walking. I am walking. Some drainage. We need some of them there, Jamaica. Some of the drainage there. So that the water keep off the road. I don't know when they build the roads, why they not put enough drainage on them. Why the roads them? As the rain fall, it flood out. So you come at the vehicle? I don't know why. Jamaicans roads easy to flood out like that. The engineers are to be blamed, or I saw them tell them to make the roads. Cause some foreign road you have stormy weather, and the road not flood out. People go about them business here and way. Yes. People go about them business here and way because them put in them little something here. Them drainage something there. For take the water. As it come on, it gone. This nice, see? Not bad. And like a potted plant. Hi.
Enjoying the sun?
Yeah. Very warm. Yeah. That's our bus. Whew. Beautiful. I want them flowers down here, but they look beautiful still. Them petals, they look good. I don't know what their name, but yeah. Guys, you know what this name? They look like artificially. They look real artificial, but they are real. They're not artificial. They are real plants. They are real plants. And like a buggy always want some people, you know. And like a buggy there. Let's go again. I'm gonna take a shot under the tree when I reach down. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. I think it's like 70 or late 60s. How'd I check it out, bro? How'd I van here though? Alright, I pick up something. Ooh. Hey, you. He, who? Ooh. My break down. Alright, I pick up something. Everything everywhere is busy today. Woo. On my phone look like it a bit better picture where the sun had on it. It's nice and snowing, sunny. It's nice and sunny. Nice and sunny. What's the motivational talk today, guys? What's the motivational talk? So, I love to celebrate birthdays. So there are so many persons celebrating birthday today. Shireen and others. So the motivational talk for today is go and enjoy the day like there it's the last day. Have fun, eat plenty food, and just have fun, celebrate life, celebrate yourself. We need to celebrate life. Okay? Always celebrate your birthday. If you don't believe in celebrating birthday, this is not for you. But if you believe in celebrating birthday, just go ahead and enjoy your life. Have fun. Enjoy the day. We only have birthday once. Okay? So make sure you enjoy it to the fullest today. All the birthday celebrants. Enjoy your birthday today, okay? And that's the motivational word today. So until my next video, I am going to be checking out. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Okay. So I did a full round today of walk. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Watch all my other videos. Yes. Okay? So until my next live, hopefully tomorrow if it doesn't rain, hopefully whenever. Take care and peace out.